What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Figma to your cursor. So first you need to head over to the Figma's web application, and after that you just simply need to log in with your Figma account, and after that you just simply need to choose a design from Figma. After choosing a design from Figma, you need to head over to your cursor application that you have already installed in your PC. From there, you need to create a new folder named assets, and after that, you need to import it. The image that you want on the right side, you will see the option to import. Click on that, and then you just simply need to import the image that you have downloaded from Figma, uh, and you can just simply drag and drop it here in your timeline. After that, you can edit it, you can view it, and you can just customize it basically like whatever you want. So this is how you can connect your Figma to your cursor. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.